How to change video resolution in Capcut. In order to change the video resolution in Capcut, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to open the Capcut app onto your device. After which, you just want to make sure to open up a new project. There you just want to make sure to add the project to your timeline by tapping the add button. Once you've done this, what here you need to do is, over here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select at the top. You see AIU HD, right? This is where you will be able to find the resolutions. So here it is, resolution. You could go ahead and select and decrease it, increase it, whatever that you like. You want to make it to 4K, 180p, 1080p, or you just want to go to. And this way you're supposed to change video resolution in Capcut. And that is how you will be able to do it. While there, you can also toggle the Smart HDR or AIU Ultra HD options to automatically enhance clarity as well. This is the simplest thing you could do it. Now you could start exporting it, and also make sure that before you export, make sure to change the video ratio as well. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.